Hairstyles. I wanted to get on, I know a lot of us mothers have a super hard time with little girls and tangles and the fights in the morning. So I found something that can totally help take that away. Anyway, I'm gonna have her show you guys her hair, okay? This is from sleeping, so it's all tangled and matted. You can see that, especially down on bottom. Oh, those are big knots, Braylin. Big knots. Well, good. This will be good to show you guys. Okay, so I am going to wash her hair. This is with the junior line. Good job, Bray. Okay, so I'm just going to get her hair wet. You always shampoo twice with this shampoo.
Mom, it's hurting my head.
Okay, there we go.
It's cold.
That better? Okay, so you always want to get the water out before you put shampoo in it, so you're not diluting the shampoo, okay? So this is the shampoo, and I'm going to use just a squirt. See, that's all you need. You rub it in your hands really, really good, and then you apply it to their hair. And by the way, this smells phenomenal. Okay, when you put this on your child's hair, the first wash won't feel as good. It'll feel a little bit different, like not normal and sudsy. That's totally fine. That's what we want. It's taking all the buildup off of their hair. Okay, so make sure you leave this on for 2 or 3 minutes. It just depends what you're going to want to do, just so it can get that buildup off, okay? Now, since you're watching, I'm not going to sit here for 3 minutes, but that's definitely what you need to do when you are washing their hair. Okay, then you rinse it off.
Too hot, way too hot,
Too
way
hot?
too hot, way too hot.
And this is my daughter, Braylin. She's 8. Okay, so you rinse that out, and then of course you're going to get all the water out. Just squeeze it out. Okay, one more. See, just one more. Rub it in your hands really good, and then apply. Yeah, it was really fun. So I had I've had a lot of people buy the junior line, but what was super fun is last week I had 2 videos shared with me from the moms that had bought it, saying how happy they were, and they showed the video of them combing out their daughter's hair, and anyway, the little girls were like super duper happy. So in fact, the one little girl said, "Mom, can we use this every time we wash my hair?" So that was good.
Is it too hot? Do it cold, do it cold.
Okay. All right, so then you're gonna rinse that. The second wash, you don't need to leave on 3 minutes. You can just rinse it off. For 2 minutes. Okay, again, make sure you get all the water out of it. Okay, now it's the conditioner, okay? You're just gonna spray 1 squirt, rub it around good in your hands. And you guys, she has really long hair. This product is very concentrated, so you don't need a lot of it. So you've seen how much I used for her long hair. So say somebody with short hair would only need a half a squirt of conditioner. That's it, because it's so concentrated, and it smells amazing. Okay, then I'm going to rinse this, and then as soon as we rinse, we're going to go over, and I'm going to show you the Detangler spray that comes with the junior line. The awesome thing about the Detangler Spray is it doesn't matter if you're young or older, the Detangler Spray works for everyone. So, and the smell of that is phenomenal. Even better than the shampoo and conditioner. Huh, Bray, you love the smell of that one.
Of what?
Remember the Detangler Spray?
Oh!
Oh, did I get you?
All over.
Okay, so just gonna get the water out of her hair. Okay, now we're gonna take her over to the chair. Okay, slide up here, Bray. Where are they?
Over there.
Oh, it's not good. Sorry, she needs her glasses, she can't see. Okay, reach out, please. Yeah, this is my baby. She is 8, and Brinley, she was 12. Okay, now this, I'm going to show you the Detangler Spray. Let's see, where did we put it? It was right there.
It's over there.
Oh, it's by the shampoo and conditioner. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so you can see the hair. You're just going to spray it throughout. Okay, and then you can see, you know, it was so tangled before, and this is just going right through it. Yeah, Bray and I don't have any more fights when I wash and comb her hair. Are you laughing, huh? You can tell she's my child that is full of it. Aren't you? Are you full of it? She is full of it. Anyway, I wanted you guys to see that, like how smooth. And it was so tingly before. Okay, you guys can see that. I mean, you can put your hands through it, no tangles. And you guys seen those knots down there before we washed? And look, you just put your fingers right through it. Anyway, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. If you have any questions about that, just email me or message me, and I can give you more information on it. So thank you guys so much, and have a good day. See ya.